Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Freely. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing another Fifine mic, and that mic today is going to be the K669G model. It's one of their more budget-friendly models. At the time of recording this video, it's currently listed at $28, so definitely more for the budget user in mind. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Full disclosure, Fifine sent me this unit to review, but all the opinions are my own. So let's just open up the box right here. We have an instruction manual. One thing I gotta say about Fifine's instruction manuals is that they're always really superb. They take into account Mac users, Windows users, and just like there's so much info inside this. You know, it's an actual useful user's guide. Alright, so let's just get it open here. This is one of the different colors. So the G in the K669G stands for green in this particular situation here. So this is the mic itself. It's a fairly simple setup right here. This is where the stand is mounted, and you only have one dial on here, which is just the volume. You can't detach this wire either, so it's permanently in there. And if you look here, it is a USB-A. No choice for USB-C, but it makes sense for the budget nature of this mic. So let's put that off to the side here, and then we have the tripod. Yeah, that's pretty much it in this unboxing. Let's put it together now. When it comes in the box, just like that, you just basically twist it on. And there we go, we are completely set up. So this is super simple to put together. One thing I gotta note is that this little piece right here, this like whole section is all plastic. It's not like metal like the other more expensive mics, but you know, with the budget nature, once again, this is completely fine. Setting up this mic is very simple. All you have to do is plug in your USB right in here. The step after this involves you making sure you change the source on your specific operating system to the mic itself. They show you how to do this in the instruction manual. Like I said, great instruction manual. They even show you how to use it, how far you should be. It's really great. Really commend them for that. Alright, from here on out, we're going to be switching from the shotgun mic on my Canon M50 to the mic that's right in front of me now. And for reference, this volume knob right here is pointed right at the middle. Alright, we're going to be switching over right now. So, right now we're on the K669G. So, let me know how you guys think of the sound so far. So since this is a more budget microphone, there is no headphone like jack on this thing. The other microphones from Fifine that they've sent me to review, all of those have their own headphone jack, so you can kind of like listen to what you sound like, and you can control that on the mic itself, but this one does not have that. Along with that, there is no mute button on the mic itself. On previous ones, like I said, there's a button where you can easily mute yourself on and off, but this one does not have that. So you can see that they really stripped down the features for this mic to make it as cheap as possible, but at the same time trying to get, you know, a good amount of audio quality, hopefully. If you guys are liking the audio quality right now, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So now you got a little bit of my voice right now. We're gonna do a little bit of music now. I always like doing music to give you guys a feeling of what it sounds like with music instruments. So let me get my guitar. All right, we're gonna face the mic down here. Oh, unbalanced. All right, here we go. And we should tune it first because, you know, that would be really embarrassing. Okay, here we go, music. Once again, we're just gonna do some ambient noise. I'm gonna be, you know, typing some random things, and my laptop is like half a foot away from the mic, and I'm just typing things. Let me know if you can hear it. And make sure you smash the like button while you're at it. Now we're just gonna do background noise. Once again, The knob is right there in the middle. I haven't changed it. So we're just gonna go quiet. There is a heater right there. Let me turn it off. The heater's off, and I'm just gonna go quiet so you guys can hear the ambient noise. If you guys are familiar with the channel, this is my 4th Fifine mic review that I've done on this channel. I've reviewed their lav mics and their K678 and the K683A. So they have a wider range of mics, and for the price point and the value that you're getting for these mics is really, really good. I honestly, if you're going to start a podcast or if you're going to start any type of thing that you just want some really good audio, go with the Fifine mics. This one in particular is more budget, and I highly recommend for people who are just starting out to get maybe this one or maybe a couple steps higher than this one. But if you just have less than $100 or less than $50, let's just say, this would be a really, really great choice, because it's, at the time of recording of this video, it's currently sitting at $28, which is amazing value for what you're getting in this entire kit. So once again, thank you to Fifine for sending me this mic. Once again, you guys hit it out of the park with these mic videos. It's just so good. One more announcement before I end this video is that I started a podcast. We filmed 5 episodes of the podcast already, and if you want to see this mic in action, check it out on the podcast YouTube channel, and we're also on Spotify. But yeah, you can judge for yourself the quality of this mic on the podcast. We have 3 mics from Fifine right now, and this is one of them, and you can hear all the various qualities of all the Fifine mics that we have on our podcast. Once again, if you guys found some value from this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more content about Fifine mics or just mics in general. And if you're into cameras and tech and all kinds of different stuff like that, definitely subscribe for that also. I love all those things, and if you like them too, subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.